Hello, I am Ayush Dalal along with my project partner Utsav Darji. So I am going to introduce you about our project visitors management system. So our system basically is working on majorly three roles like society administration, house or flats owner, and the gate security guard. This website is basically helping us on registering the different visitors visiting different housing societies. So let us first of all go with the functionalities of society administrative, how they work and how the sign in and login part of them happens. So first of all, making for society administrative, we have to make a society first of all, and registering the society we have to uh, go to the admin part. From there only we can register societies. We are here at the administration part of our project. So for adding the society we have to go to here and then add. Let me say the society name is Mahernagar Society. Area is Adajan, situated at Surat. So here validation is already being provided that please correct the error below. The error is these fields are required, which is empty now. So first of all, add some society representative. Let us say I am the society representative, and phone number. Here phone number plays a major role because whenever the society admin have to sign up for the registration, they have to use the same number as register here. So that means I will tell you what happens if he or she doesn't do this. So first of all, let me save the society. Here we can see that the society, my next society, was added successfully. So now let us move back to the our web page. So now we have to here do go for this option. Why? Because here it is owner's login. We can say that society administrative is also an owner of some house or flat of the society, so they also have to go through the same as owner, but I will tell you the differentiation between them. So let us go for the society administrator sign up. uh, Here also validation is being provided that what if we don't write +91, you will see what happens. House number, let us say 123, and society ID. Here we have to select the society from which society we are signing in. So here we are doing it from Mayanagara society. So yes, we are done for the filling. As soon as we click on register, what happens? This says that Ayush one username is already used by the website, so we have to do some changes like Ayush18. Okay, we have to provide password again. Now here this is that this is the phone number can only be registered with plus and countryside, so we have to add +91 for India, and then we can register. So yes, we are good to go now. The sign up part for society admin is done. They have quite of three functionalities over here. Let me show you for the already registered society, because they have some data already being stored over there. So let me log out and register or sign up for any other society admin. So here we have now signed up for Gokuldham society. So there are majorly three functionalities working over here. First of all is add a frequent visitor, which is same functionality for the owner and society admin also, because they both are owner, by the way. Finally, so let us add a frequent visitor, name something like purpose of frequently visiting is, let us say, grocery services. We also have to choose an image for them. Let me take an image. Okay, I have provided the image and I have added them. So a frequent visitor name Parameshwar Ansar is added. So whenever we log into the society admin part, the frequent user table is already being visible on the first page. So now there are two other functionalities for the society administrative. So let us see them one by one. First of all is see count on frequent user per society member. As soon as we click on this, we can see the number of frequent visitors adding visiting different owners in the count, like the house number B101 having 2 frequent visitors, B102 is having 1, B201 is having 2, so that the society admin can be introduced about what is happening over the society, which kind of means which persons are visiting at which home and in how much amount. Let us move back, and the other functionality is see owner details of the society. So in this list we can see all the registered owners for this same society, in which we can also update their phone number, because other details are only can be updated by their own, and society admin cannot update that. The second thing is that society admin can also delete the profile of these owners, because if once one leaves the society, then it is necessary to update the database and deleting them from here. But another thing to be marked over here is the society admin cannot delete themselves. So here we cannot have the option to delete themselves. So yes, our society admin part and society registering part is done over here. Now I would request my project partner to get introduced about the functionalities of owners and guard. So thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Utsav Darji and I am going to show you owner's functionalities and guard's functionality. So let's start with the owner's functionality. First of all, let me log in as an owner. Okay, so we have successfully logged in as an owner in Gokul Dham Society. Now, here the main functionality of owner is to add a frequent visitor. Okay, so let's see this functionality first. So here owner has to provide his frequent visitor details such as first name, last name, mobile number, purpose and his image here. So let me first quickly add all the details. I can choose image from here. Okay, I have successfully added the image. Now add this visitor. So as you can see, Utsav Darji as a frequent visitor added over here. Now if I want to see his details, so I can click here on his ID and I can see all the details of Utsav Darji. Now if I want to update his details, so I have to click on update and I can see all the details over here. And if I want to change his last name from Darji to Shah, so I can write here Shah and I have to just click update. So you can see we have successfully changed his last name from Darji to Shah, and on our home page we can also see that his last name has changed from Darji to Shah. Now if I want to delete this frequent visitor, so I have to click on delete. It will lead me to this page and it will ask, are you sure you want to delete Utsav Shah? So we have to click on delete. And yes, we are good to go. We have successfully deleted a frequent visitor. So this was all about owner's functionality. Now let's go to the guard's functionality. So first of all, let me log in as a guard. Okay, so here you can see guard has main two functionalities: add normal visitor and verify frequent visitor details. Now let's see first functionality, which is add a normal visitor. So guard can add a normal visitor from here, and he or she has to provide these necessary details, which are first name, last name, home number, where visitor want to visit, his or her mobile number and vehicle number. So let me quickly add all the details here. Okay, so as you can see, I have added all the details, and now let's add this normal visitor. So, so here you can see we have added one normal visitor, Viraj Patel, and his entry time is noted here. Now, if I want to add his exit time, so I have to just click on add exit time, and it will automatically add his exit time. So yes, as you can see, exit time has been updated. Now, if any frequent visitor arrives and guard want to verify them, so he has to go to this verify frequent visitor details, and from here he can see all the details of frequent visitor. Now if I want to see the details of Abdul, so I have to click on his ID, and I can see all the details of Abdul. And if guard want to see details of any normal visitor, so he can click on this ID, and he can see all the details of a normal visitor. So this was all about guard's functionality. So this is all about our project till now. For future enhancement, we can make our own mobile app from where owner and guard can operate their account. We can also add notification system where if any normal visitor arrives, so owner can verify them from their mobile app directly. So this is all about our project. Thank you.